Gotta love a good webcam, and the Insta360 Link 2 Pro absolutely delivers. Check this thing out. I saw it at CES 2026 here. So she's syncing it with her, and you see it flash. You see it flash 3 times, and now it's locked on her. Watch that camera. It's got a little motor in it, right? It follows her around up and down, side to side. And then there's other hand gestures that she can do. So she's going to put this gesture up. It flashes 3 times. And now she can zoom the camera without doing anything in software. It's still going to follow her around. She can do the zoom. Very cool. This is announced now. It's coming out, I believe, next month. They do not, actually, maybe even later this month. They do not have pricing on it yet. So, bear with us on that. But yeah, that's the Insta360 Link 2 Pro. Very, very cool stuff. And I'm glad I got to see that. Yeah, January 13th it comes out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay subscribed because we here at Mac Geek Gab are at CES filtering through the noise so you don't have to. Make sure you subscribe to our CES 2026 playlist too so that you can see all the stuff. Of course, none of this is possible without our coverage sponsors, so please send them some love. And yeah, have fun.